Chapter 6. 4 Brides for 4 Princes. Parashurama's anger abated as he saw the young Prince Rama effortlessly string the Vishnu bow. The prince's true nature became apparent to the Brahmin warrior. In that moment of divine revelation, Parashuram surrendered his fury, realizing that his duty and the purpose of his avatar were fulfilled. He bowed in reverence to Prince Rama and announced his departure to the mountains, much to the relief of the assembled members of the court. According to scriptures, Parashuram will appear again at the end of the Kali Yuga to be the Guru of Kalki, Lord Vishnu's 10th and final incarnation. Ram's victory marked the beginning of a grand celebration. Preparations for the wedding of Ram and Sita were underway, and soon King Dasharatha arrived in Mithila to bless the union. It was a joyous occasion, not only for Rama and Sita, but also for Ram's brothers. Bharat was married to Sita's cousin, Mandavi. Lakshmana was married to her sister, Urmila, and Shatrughan to her cousin, Shutkati. Rama, Sita, and their families returned to Ayodhya amidst joyous celebrations. Over time, Rama and Sita's love deepened even further, and they became inseparable, just as Lord Vishnu is inseparable from Goddess Lakshmi. In the royal courts, Rama proved himself to be an outstanding leader. He was the epitome of wisdom, humility, and compassion. He mastered all weapons, all statecraft, and all spiritual self-discipline. He was loved by members of the court and citizens alike. King Dasharatha looked upon Rama with pride. With his advanced age, he would soon need to name a successor, and Ram held all the qualities necessary for a wise king. But the king would not make this decision alone, lest he be biased in his opinion. He held many consultations with his advisors and members of the royal court to ensure he considered all possible candidates as his successor. Consultations with advisors and court members unanimously pointed to Rama as the ideal heir. But many of these consultations were overheard by a member of the royal household, and in her heart grew resentment and anger. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.